Car shopping can be overwhelming sometimes. So many options to consider. What's my price range? Do I need third row seating, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive? It's a lot, we get it. That's why we made it fast, easy, and convenient at TiptonFord.com. When you land at TiptonFord.com, go ahead and hover over the Used tab, and you can find out more about our certified pre-owned program, our vehicles under $15,000, or you can see our entire used inventory. From there, you can browse our entire inventory, or you can specify and refine your search. There are also different things you can add on to limit your search, like the year, make, model, and more importantly, the mileage. And if you don't find what you're looking for here, go back to the Used tab and click on Find My Car. It'll take you to this page where you can specify what kind of car you're looking for, and when it rolls onto the Tipton Ford lot, one of our salespeople will reach out to you very shortly. When you want to spend less, drive more, click to TiptonFord.com. Be sure to follow our social channels too for more Tipton tips.